What is up, Vibe Nation? It's about 4:20 in the morning right now. We are heading back to the Snake River today.
Let's go.
We are heading out for round 2 of walleye fishing. Round 1 was a success, but not as much as a success as others that were around us. So this time we watched some videos, we asked some more questions, we bought some new baits, and we are hoping that this time around, it's a lot more successful. Let's go. All right, well, we made it back to Little Goose Dam. We were here last week. As I showed you before, it's kind of got a good little park area up here with benches and all that good stuff. But today we're here to walleye fish again. I got a new little setup that I'm gonna be trying out that I'll show you a little later. I'm gonna fish with the setup that I had last time just to see if I get any success, but I'll switch over to this new setup and hopefully we are successful with that one as well. So let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to my new little setup that I have for this today. And it's this baby right here. Oh yeah. Hold on. Walleye jig head. It's like flat. All right, there she is. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look attractive. Oh my goodness. Let me cut off this little piece. You have scissors? Oh, actually, these clippers are. Oh. All right, let's get this little baby launched. Let's see what it does, huh? Come on, baby, first cast, give me something. Give me something, baby, give me something. Come on. This has gotta be appetizing, like, it's gotta look good, come on. I know you wanna give me a big fish. Big old monster. I know you do. I know you want to give me something nice, baby, something beautiful, something to fish on. Got some other homies over here showing up, looking at me all funky. Man, no luck. If any of these dudes next to me start catching fish before I do, I'm gonna get, come on, brother, you're supposed to give me the good stuff. Come on, man, come on. These guys really going over to the rocks. Okay, the extra 10 feet is gonna get you that much better. Oh, man. To each their own. Ahora sí, I'm gonna put some little, look at that, super juice. Es que no le sirve el spray, so gonna do it like this. Probably not the best way to do it, but it'll work for now. Híjole. Híjole. Ahora sí. Oh. You got one? Ah! I was recording too. All right, ahora sí. I think he's just hitting rocks. No. Ahora sí, a ver. You guys can't resist this. You guys can't resist this. You guys can't resist this. Come on. Come on, baby. Give me something. The thing is, nobody's catching any fish today. That guy last week, I remember, had like hella. Oh, I think I'm on. Oh my God, I'm on. Yeah, what the hell? I was all talking. Oh, it was a bass. It was a bass. That was funny. I was literally talking about, I was like, yeah, it doesn't seem like anybody's catching any, and then boom, it got it. It was a small one. Well, it looked like a bass. I mean, it could have been something else, but. Oh, wow, just my luck. I never get snagged, and when I do, it's literally right here. Come on. There you go, guys. On another adventure. Make sure that doesn't fall off. Anything for a jig head? Maybe I should just come fish down here. Alright, whoa. It's pretty slippery. I could manage to just hit it. Whoa. Well, I suffered defeat, guys. I'm taking a little bit of a break right now. It doesn't seem like anybody's catching anything, even around us. I got one little bite, as you saw in that video. I lost well, not a bite, I actually lost the fish, but that's pretty much all the action I've got. I got snagged. What a loss, man. But no worries, we're gonna keep at it. Hopefully we catch something soon. It may just be one of those cold days, or I don't know, but hopefully we catch something soon. Let's go, let's go. So the main goal right now is to put another jig head on my pole. I'm gonna do the same setup as I did before and see if I get any luck with that. If I don't get any luck within the next half hour with that setup, I'm gonna go back to the original setup that I caught one with last week, see if I get any luck on that. So let's go, let's go. All right, got my little jig set up again right here. Slight change of color, I believe, but nothing crazy. I mean, the hook's not in the best spot, to be honest. I think some people could probably do a little better, but I mean, honestly, if you look at this, I mean, this looks appealing. You're gonna tell me this doesn't look appealing? Look at that. If you were a fish, you wouldn't eat that? I don't know why they're not biting, man. Come on, come on. Yeah, baby, yeah. Woo. Finally, to like 30 minutes. Jesus Christ. Should have not taken this long. There's fish already waiting for me. Waiting for this. Waiting for their little dinner to get here. Their breakfast. Technically. Look at that. Shoo! Bring on the good vibes only. Here we go, baby. First cast. Fish on, let's go.
Fish on.
No, hombre, mira la net, bien lista.
He's on, he's on.
All right. Well.
He ain't a small one either.
What? Oh my lord. Oh, si la net quiere. Okay, here. We're good. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Somebody's got to take this stick out of the way right here. It's so annoying. Ooh, it's a good one, eh? Let me show you guys how you net a fish, all right? There he is right there. Oh, shoot. Can't reach it. I can't. Ah, I'm gonna lose it. I can't. Oh my God, this thing, it's because the net's too, oh, no, Junior, chill.
Oh, he's hooked.
Yeah, just bring it up, just bring it up. Yeah, bring it up with the hook. There you go. Wow, what a terrible display of using a net.
Dude!
It's because I didn't extend it. There you go.
He's a beauty.
There we go.
Yeah, dude.
Nice. Grab it from the gills.
Yeah. Aquí está la Letterman.
Ahí está.
Mira nomás.
There you go. Look at that.
Primero en la frente para que nos libre Dios de los malos mandamientos.
Wow, ¿qué dijo? What the heck? Well, my dad just caught his first walleye out here for the day. We're hoping that we are next. I guess he got some good success with the dark green jigs or whatever. I'm gonna give a try with mine still. Mine's sort of a greenish color, so hopefully now it's getting a little warmer maybe, or temperature change might have them biting a little more. So yeah, let's give it a try. Come on, man. Can't be my dad that outfishes me again. Bro, like that can't happen every time that we come out here. It's like there's gotta be a limit. Ahora sí, estuvo bueno. Ya me hartaron estos pescaditos. Ahora sí, ¿no? A ver si pueden resistir esto, ¿eh? A ver si es cierto. Que este es uno de sus favoritos. Uno de sus favoritos, ¿eh? A ver si es cierto, a ver si es cierto. A ver si logran. A ver, mira. Ay. You know, a little bit heavier weight too. See if it goes a little lower. If that makes any difference. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Half the time, I don't know what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Wow. Literally just lost my whole weight on that cast. Oh my gosh. Talk about a fail, guys. My goodness. Bro. I got snagged. Are you serious? What the fuck I be getting snagged on, bruh? Oh, come on. Give me my friggin' bait. Oh, this sucks. Ciao, bro.
Coming?
Huh? Nah. I got
They
snagged.
missed like 7, dude.
Ooh.
I got so many hits that make Shakir look bad.
Ah. Dude, I don't know how I got snagged though. I like literally had just launched it.
I already lost 3 or 4 plums.
I've never gotten snagged that fast though. That's crazy. It was just like bad luck. It must have been that one rock there. Cause I literally had just casted. All right, well, let's get this baby set up again. As freaking tragedy happened, as you saw. Jeez, I'm running out of freaking hooks over here. Honestly, I do think I'm using too big of hooks, to be honest, but I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Let's keep on fishing on. Just keep on fishing on. All right, time to get to it. All right, look at that. Looking good so far. Should I try something different? Nah. Just gonna try the same thing that's been failing all day, you know. Cause why not? Cause why not? Oh, I completely ruined the shad. Look at that. Oh, well, maybe it'll look like it's hurt. Oh, maybe it'll look like it's hurt. That's the key. All right. I'm gonna try it. Be like, you know, fish might be like, oh, look, it's got an injury, it's got a scar. I might attack it because they think it's injured. That's the key, guys. Trick the fish. Woo, let's go. Sa. Come on, baby. Come on, give me something. Nada. No quiere caer, huh? That's what I'm saying, man. Like, you mean to tell me if you were a fish and you looked at this, you wouldn't want to eat it? I mean, look at that. I want to eat it. I get hooked on this. Come on, bruh. Just hoping to really get something good right here. You know what I'm saying? Something nice, some good sized fish. Algo bueno, you know? I think we've been here like a couple hours. Oh, well, you look at the time, 8 o'clock. Buenos días, raza. Son las 8 de la mañana y no he tomado nada. Well, I'm going to be completely honest. Today, I've had zero luck with the fish. My dad has been the only one that's caught one good size walleye. I have not caught anything. Junior has not caught anything. I actually ended up losing a fish, so that's even worse. My luck is not just there today. No worries. You got to just keep casting. Just like basketball, you got to keep shooting. You got to keep casting. So I'm going to go back out there, give it another try, and hopefully I can get one on camera. Let's get it. Let's go. All right. Well, on the menu today, we got Dot's pretzels and some burritos. Homemade burritos. You know, the vibes are immaculate out here. I may not catch a single fish today. Knock on wood, right? But the vibes are immaculate. I mean, you're just out here chilling with the homies, some natural rocks, you know, some burritos. Look at, tell me this doesn't look homemade AF. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I think this is a good time to talk about just being outside. Going out, you know, being stuck inside a lot of the times. I know you get busy. I know times get tough. All you want to do, this guy just interrupted me. Oh, guy next to me just caught another fish. I'm telling you, now everyone around us is catching fish, except us. Great, just great. Maybe it's a sign that they're biting. You know what I mean? Yeah. See, like this guy over here just caught one over there. Nice. Anyways, point being, the vibes immaculate, guys. It's important to be outside. I know times get tough. I know work schedules, kids, whatever, school gets busy, but it's important to just get out, man. Just go on a walk. I've been trying to emphasize a lot with my students right now to just simply go on a walk. It doesn't got to be a crazy nature walk or like a hike, you know, like everything you see on Instagram. Just literally like a simple walk, a couple walks around your block, you know, around the city you live in, you know, 10, 15 minutes. It's just crazy how much just being outside, going on a walk could help your daily mentals. So anyways, that's my message for right now. I'm gonna finish my breakfast and get back to fishing. Let's go. All right, y'all, coming down to my last walleye hook that I just bought. And I still haven't caught jack diddly squat. Just goes to show that you should not use my videos as tutorials. Oh well, we'll get better, It is what it is. Set this up and we'll launch it back. Let's go. We're coming up on our last hour here. And I actually lost another little bass. I just want to catch something, guys. Anyways, wish me luck.
You'll be fine. Trust me. All I have to do is get down there, get on my end right there, and pull it out.
That's it. This is fish, guys. No, there's no way. So you're gonna go on these rocks right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna get on that rock. Go right there and probably get wet. Oh no! I'm not gonna go save it.
Not save it, I'm just saying.
Oh shit.
I told you.
I see what's going on.
You should just sit down on that one.
There you are, you beast. Oh, is in between the rocks?
That's what I was telling him over there. I was like, you snagged your own fish.
There we are.
Míralo, ya salió. Se quería escapar.
And still trying. He's dead.
Here, I got you. Oh, never
There's
mind.
my monster.
Ahí está, mira. Algo es algo. All right, so we pretty much got tired of fishing at the actual Little Goose Dam. I wasn't getting any bites. Junior wasn't getting any bites. And after that first fish my dad got, he wasn't getting anything else either. So we came all the way over here. Not kidding, it's not that far. So we came over here right down the road before you get to Little Goose Dam. And we're just gonna fish along the rocks right here. See if we get any luck. So let's go. All right, a ver si no me encuentro una culebrita aquí. You know what I'm saying? Dijera mi mamá, ay hijo, fíjate nomás dónde andabas. No, es que la idea es no tener miedo y la idea es divertirse. Uy. Vamos ahí, no. Qué ideas, ¿no? Qué ideas, pero bueno, aquí andamos. Uy, qué balance. Un balance impeccable. Aquí estamos, mira. Puro rillito. Mira, dijeron. Vamos, mira. Aquí vamos a agarrar un tiburón. Mira. ¡Vámonos, hijo de la! No manches, ¿dónde cayó? Se ve que se fue para allá. The last spot we were at was a complete failure. We're gonna have to try this one over here next to the bridge. It's never been to this spot, but it's a bridge that we're passing by near Starbucks, and we're like, hey, let's check it out. Let's see if we can catch something. So I'm hoping at least I can catch something. Let's go. Pues bueno, here we are still fishing. I haven't caught anything. Junior caught another bass over there. My dad missed a walleye, but I still have not got nothing. I'm going to Old Faithful. Worms, night crawlers, you know. And oh well, look at that. I wish it would have fell because of a fish. I can guarantee you that's not why it fell. You know, well, this will be our last stop and then we'll head out, so wish me luck. Oh my gosh, bro, are you kidding me? Wow. Pues bueno, this was also a failure for me. My dad almost caught one, Junior caught one, and I did not, man. We're actually gonna head home now. That's it. I skunked today. I might go later just to not skunk for today, but I highly doubt it. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching. Let's go. Let's keep on fishing on. Just keep on fishing on. All right, time to get to it.